Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 27 of saving $6 a day in my minis, and happy Shark Week. I hope you're doing well. Let me know if you watched anything on Shark Week last night. I'd be really curious. I'm going to set my 6 ones right there while I get my binder situated. I'm going to put my cash in my minis bank. Yeah, and then I am going to take out the $6 in prop coins. I know it's Shark Week and I don't want to rush anything, but I'm kind of excited about the new setup for August, so I hope you love it. Okay, so we are going to go to the start here. These nails are still just like, this one's the best. Come on. Shark Week. All right, so number 3. Let's get our dice tower ready. And here we go. 2 for number 3. Oops, skipped 4. 4 needs it. 2 for number 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. I do film ahead, so I don't know. I mean, I'm sure I watched Shark Week. Though sometimes we don't watch it at all, and we binge it, like a month later. But I don't do that now because this schedule looks pretty good this year. I'm not gonna lie. I think Tuesday night looks really good. So I think that 3. Okay, we finished 4. 2 for number 5. That's the only one I know. I don't know about the others. Oh, we can go back to 1. Okay, 1 for 1. 2 for 2. And we got 3 for 3, but I only have 2. So we're going to start at number 4 tomorrow. All right. Push that out of the way. Move the hammerhead. I kind of laughed when we had the shark. Oh, you can't see that. There we go. She's fine though. She's fine. Okay. Not even looking for glare. All right, number 1 got 50 cents, which is kind of sad. But oh heifer please. This is from Kimmy's Corner, Wednesday Night Live exclusive. And we're gonna do 2 more. If you hear sounds, Babe is working on the fireplace. He had to redo part of the drywall for the ceiling, but it's worth it. It's gonna look so good. Okay, so did those 2, and I meant to put pictures. I'll try to remember to put it in my community post this week. Updates, pictures, updates, so you can see the before and after. Or I don't know, if you want progress pics, let me know, or if you just want me to wait till the before and after, I can totally do that too. All right, another one from Kimmy's Corner, because why not? We can do 3 more squares. And did you guys remember the name of the fish that came out of the wall and sang? Because I still can't remember it. All right, so we can do 3 more squares. All right, and the other one is chickens or roosters. Patriotic fowl. It's not right. I don't know. I shouldn't keep talking. All right, so number 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, so $1.50. Oh, we started this yesterday, the Millennial Saver, so we can finish the top row and do the whole second row. So I'm just gonna do little blue hearts. Perfect, halfway there. Little narwhal. Hope you, bye buddy, hope you find your dad. Okay. Number 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so $1.25. I think this is the one we finished. Yes, we only needed 75 cents. So let's take those away. Color this. This is from Becca Budget 777. You're looking pine. The little hair sticking up at the top is so funny. All right, so we finished that one for $5. That's pretty cool. So we have 50 cents we can put into a new one. I think I'm gonna go and do the seashell one that I saw before. So this is Eat, Beach, Sleep, Repeat. Yes, please. This is saving seashells is fun. Each shell is $3. How many do you want today? All right, so we would do it that way. We might do it that way a different day, but today we're just gonna do it the 25 cents. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, another $5 saver. And this is from the Swag Doodlers. And if you do not know who Paula at the Swag Doodlers is, I beg you to go check out her Etsy. It is adorable. So we are gonna do 2 seashells. So I think I'm just gonna do a little that, just a little scratch off. Except for I want it to be a little bit more even. I don't know where this, like, it's not perfectionism. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so let's put this away. So we're starting a new one. Dog supplies, we already have that written there. We finished that. So number 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so $1.25 in the pumpkins from Save with Judy. So I must get my orange. So we have $1.25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna color these and I will be right back. All right, so that is our $1.25, or yeah, $1.25. And I wrote on here shop small because it's $8. I love that I did that. All right, number 6, 1, 2, and 3, so $3 going into number 6. Did I say $3? I really feel like I said that. 75 cents, 3 prop coins going into number 6. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. So we have 75 more cents to finish this one from Kimmy's Corner. Love this one. All right, so that is everything. So we did finish one for $5. So let's go back to the front. Put our prop coins away. All right, and we have You're Looking Pine for $5, which means we can use one of these $5 bills that we've had in here for a long time. And I think it's dog supplies. Yes, it is. So we will put this in our completed. I still can't believe how many we've completed this month. That's crazy. All right, so dog supplies coming up. And we have dog supplies. Getting a 5. Perfect. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope you catch a little bit of Shark Week if you are interested in that. And if not, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.